Withdrawing money from your Xbox account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Begin by signing into your Microsoft account associated with your Xbox. You can do this under console or through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Access your account balance. Once signed in, navigate to the account section. Here, you will find information about your account balance, including any funds available for withdrawal. Step 3. Link your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. After your bank account is linked, return to the account balance section. Look for an option to withdraw funds or transfer money. Select this option and choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and the linked bank account. Once you are sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the transaction confirmation.